Hello traders, hope you're all keeping well. Today is the 19th of February 2025. We've got a great British pound against the Canadian dollar on the 1 hour time frame. I just wanted to share a quick long analysis or a long opportunity trade that I'm looking at. This is 1 hour time frame. So if you look down here, we have this equal lows, yeah, that the market has created. Okay, so the market pushed down, and then we had a rejection right here, yeah. So we had this rejection right there. We also repeated the rejection right there, yeah, and then we pushed higher. All right. So market returned back to the level, yeah, and pushed up, but not quite to the highs, the previous highs, all right? So definitely there will be buyers coming in here, okay? And also retracement traders also going long right here, okay? Right there. So if they've gone long here, they've gone long there, their stops are going to be below this low, correct? Okay. So we came back again, and then we retested the level, and then we left this bullish engulfing candle. So this candle basically attracts people to go long because the market went up here, and also went up there. So there will be traders in long here. All right. So if they've gone long here, or if they were waiting um, for a confirmation, the next candle broke above the highs of this candle, of the previous candle. So they were in long. Okay, so if they've gone long here or gone long there, or taken long at the retracement of the level, yeah, you can see these pin bars. Yeah, sorry, these bullish engulfing candles. That one there, this one there, and this one here. Yeah, this definitely catches people's eyes. Yeah, this big um uh candle. Yeah, yeah, pin bar looking like candle. So this definitely will catch people's eyes. Yeah, and then if you're waiting for confirmation, we also traded above these highs there. Yeah, so there were traders that came in here. Okay, but then what happened? What happened next is the market has come down because there are loads of stops below here. Stops for these people that have gone long there, these traders here, retracement traders, and then also the final takers right here that have gone long there. Yeah, so there are loads of stop um, orders right at this low. Okay, so what I expect to happen is for market has already come down and taking those stops out. Yeah, this market has dropped, taking them out. Okay, so two things will happen. Two things could possibly happen. A further drop down, yeah, a further drop down to get more sellers into the market. Because remember, um, we have broke and closed on the other side of this um, support and resistance zone. Okay, there will be sellers jumping into the market, yeah, because now we've broke and closed the level. Okay, so remember that since the 11th of February, we've not traded below this level. Yeah, and then today, this morning, London session, we broke and closed the level. So breakout traders have jumped short. All right, where would they put their stop? Their stop will be above this high here, or some will hide their stops above this high just in case. All right, or sorry, above this high first before that high. So stops will be above here, above there, and perhaps above here. So my take on this trade on the GBP card is that this stops have been taken out for the buyers, yeah, for the long traders here. Breakout traders have gone short, Okay, there's a possibility that this will be a retest of the level, yeah, to drag more sellers to come into the market. So this possibly this current 1 hour candle may close bearish to confirm a retest of the broken level. Okay, and then more sellers will come in, so we'll definitely break this low here, here, to get more sellers to come in before the market then eventually move to the upside to take out the stops. Because if you're a seller, the stops will be above this level, like I said, above here or above this level. Okay, so definitely I'm waiting for the market to close this hour. If it does close bearish, that is a good sign, because retracement traders will jump in to confirm that this is a retest of the broken level. Okay, so once they jump in, they'll put their stops above this level. Then the big players would then come in long, and then liquidate, take them out. So GBP cards, my bias is long only, but yeah, let's see how it plays out. All right, okay. Hello traders. Today is the 20th of February 2026, and it is 9 past 3 p.m. in the UK. Hope you're all keeping well. So today is Friday, and I so this is a follow-up of the video I did yesterday, which you just saw. So like I mentioned, the level was broken. We had a retest here, and I said I would like to see a close below this candle. Yeah, um, and yeah, so we had a close and then we dropped. Yeah, so what tend to happen? Take a look at your chart. You'll see what I'm telling you. If you look to your left, you will see a low. Yeah, this low right here. Yeah, this low right here. So this is the low that if you take this breakout, you'll be aiming to get out, to take your profits right at this low. Yeah, so what the big players or whoever moves the market, what they do is they will drop the market, yeah, and then they will get you to hold on to your trade, believing that because they know most likely your TP would be here, this low, or that low there. Yeah, so they know that. They know where your take profits and your stop losses are. They do. And have you entered a trade and you were in profit, profit, and then few pips to your take profit, the market reverses. Yeah, have you experienced that? You must have. Yeah, if you've been trading for a long time, you must have experienced that. Is because this is an example of that. This is an example. This drop here is an example. Yeah. So if you take a look, this red line is that low to my left or to your left. So this is, can you see, markets came down nearly to the profit. It moved up. It retraced. Yeah. So this is where the retracement traders, if you missed this retracement here, sorry, if you missed this entry, this retracement entry after the breakout candle, then your eye will be interested in this retracement here. Let me zoom that for you. You will see that there is a pin bar, a bearish pin bar candle. Yeah, so this is a bearish pin bar candle, this candle right here, this one there. So this is a bearish pin bar candle that would encourage you to take the shorts, yeah, as this is a retracement. Okay, so and if you plot the fib retracement from this high here to that low, this would be either 0.382 or 0.5. All right. So this would be, let's do it. Let's try and let's do and see what fib that is. So from this to there, so this is 0.5. What is going on? So 0.382. Okay, so that is a 0.3, not even up to 0. Where are we? Yeah, so that is 0.382, nearly 0.3, 0.5 fib. Okay, so that is a fib, 0.382. So that was a retracement to 0.382 fib, nearly 0.5 fib. And then, you had this indecision candle and then this big bearish candle. So the retracement, sorry, the retracement was confirmed after this big bearish candle. That is, if you were waiting for a confirmation after this big bearish candle, you got your confirmation, you will go short. Yeah. So if you've gone short, your stops will be above this level. Yeah. So if you've gone short, if you've taken this after this close candle here, you went short, your stops will be above this this high here, or above this high here. Yeah, the support, yeah, the support and resistance zone. That's where your stops will be. So and what they do is, like I said in my previous videos, what they do is they come back sharply. Yeah, they come back sharply to take those stops out. Yeah. So the breakout traders here, like I explained before, or explained the video you just saw before this, um, people that have gone short here, their stops are still here, are still, at the top here, top there. Yeah. Um, or if you have a big account, your stops are here, there. All right. So the market is coming back to take them out. Yeah. So if you're still on this trade, I'm afraid. So if you've taken this short, waiting to take a profit at this low here, um, you know, your stops, I'm sure if your stop has not been taken out yet, it is coming to take your stops away from you. All right. So how do we get into the trade then? So if you're experienced or you know this method of trading, yeah, this is where you take a trade. So after this high was taken out here, yeah, this high here. So this candle basically is your entry, yeah. Or you could wait for us to close, for the market to close above this level, yeah. So once this hour candle closes, and then you could just take a retracement of the level, and then you go long, yeah. So you take a retracement after the close of this candle, take a retracement of the level, and then you go long, and then you target that high, yeah. Okay, so if you go long, your stop go below this low here. All right, so you could target a 1-to-1, or you target that high. It depends on your strategy. All right, so this is how to identify a good setup. Yeah, so when you see all these equal highs, equal lows in the market, keep an eye on them. They're, it's a manipulation level. Yeah. What they do is they manipulate the level, like I've shown you, and then the market shoots up. All right. So I will come back to conclude the video. So the final part of the video is basically, like I said, I got in here. Uh, I got in. I got in here. Yeah, this morning. All right. So this is my trade. My stop is below this low right here. Okay. And yeah, so I'm holding on to the trade. So I'll come back to complete the video once my profit right here is hit. Yes, my profit is right here. Okay, this high here. So once that is achieved next week, I'll come and complete the video. Yeah, so hopefully we'll get a breakout of the level, a retracement, and then up again. All right, so yeah, I'll see you on the other side. All right, take care. Hello traders, hope you're all keeping well. Today is the 24th of February 2026, and I'm here to complete the GBP card long video. So we hit the target, which was right here, this high here. As you can see, we hit the target a few minutes ago. So yeah, it's a 100 pip trade. So I went long somewhere around here and then take profit right there. Yep. So 101 pips. So 100 pips trade, a simple trade. All you need to do is look out for this trap here. So all this support and resistance zone, wait for it to break. Yeah. So what you need to look out for is this right here. This is the key. This long, this trap to go long, and then it fails. When it fails, this is a stop for those that have gone long here. So once this fails, wait for it. Just know that it will go back to the upside, because if you've gone short here, your stop will be above here, above there, or even above this high. So they need to come back to take them out. All right. So it could either, if you're experienced, look for a long trade somewhere here, or you wait for a breakout and a retest of the level before you go long. All right. So yeah, long completed. And also, if you're a trend line trader, there's a trend line here that could possibly get you short. Yeah, so this is a trend line. So right here, right here, yeah, we've got a bearish engulfing rejection to go short. Yeah, as you can see, it went down a little while. Yeah, and the market came and stopped them out. Because if you've gone short there, your stop will be above here, and then it came and stopped them out. So basically, this is not how to trade. You don't trade the trend lines, you don't trade support and resistance areas, because they are all traps. All right. So keep an eye on something like this to happen on your chart. Yeah, this rejection there, and this is the key. Yeah, this right here. They give you a hint, a signal to go long. Once they've trapped you long, they'll come and take you out. And then once this is done, you look for an entry somewhere here, or you wait for a breakout and a retest to go long. All right. So this is how to trade. All right. Okay. So this is a 100 pips trade, simple and an easy trade. All right. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and thank you for watching. Bye bye.